Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting a laptop or phone to the Smart Bro home network so changes apply to the correct device. Open your browser and type the router IP address. Common ones are 192, 168, 1, 1 or 192, 168, 0, 1, then press Enter. When prompted, log in with the admin credentials printed on the router or provided by the ISP. You need admin access to change Wi-Fi settings. This step gives you access to the router interface where the wireless settings are stored and can be modified. Once logged in, go to the wireless or Wi-Fi section. Menus differ by model, so look for SSID or WLAN. Select the band you want to secure, usually 2, 4 GHz or 5 GHz. Changing both prevents unauthorized access on either band. Find the password, passphrase, or security key field under Security Settings. It may be under WPA2 or WPA3 options. Change the passphrase to a strong one. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, because stronger passwords reduce the chance of brute force attacks. After entering the new Wi-Fi password, click Save or Apply and allow the router a moment to update. Some models request a reboot, so do that when prompted. Then reconnect each device using the new passphrase and remove the old saved network entries to avoid automatic reconnection with the old credentials. If you cannot log back in or lose access to the admin interface, perform a factory reset using the router's reset button. Note this wipes custom settings, so you will reconfigure SSID and password from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.